Hi, welcome to this video on how to bring an image in front on Canva. In this tutorial, I'll show you two ways to move an image forward in Canva. First, log into your Canva account and head to your workspace. As you can see on the screen, I have already selected an image of a running man, and I want to use it in a composition to demonstrate how to bring a photo forward in Canva. Method 1. Using right-click options. First, resize the photo as needed. Then, select the image you want to use as the background. In this case, I've chosen a football ground photo. As soon as you click on the football ground photo, the running man image will be placed at the back. To bring it to the front, select the running man photo, right-click on your mouse, click Layer, and then click Forward or Bring to Front. Both options work the same way. Now, the running man image is at the front. Method 2. Using the Position tool. To demonstrate this method, first, move the running man image to the back by selecting the image, clicking Layer, and then clicking Backward. The image is now at the back. Now, select the image again, click Position at the top, and then select Forward. The image is instantly placed at the front. To fully utilize the image, make the football ground the background of your workspace and place the running man where you think it looks best. The running man is nicely placed at the front. That's how you bring an image to the front in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.